Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply zoom effect to any video in Flutter Android. So this video will be specifically for Android using Flutter, and we will be making use of the Media3 Transformer library. So I'll tell you what we will be doing. So first let me open my logcat, and here I'll just type progress. Okay, I'll stop this, I'll clear this out. Okay, then I have one button called open video picker without permission. I'll click on it, and the first thing it does is ask for permission. Now the reason it asks for permission is for saving file to external storage, because once you apply zoom effect to any video, we are storing that updated video inside our external storage. That's why it is asking for the permission. Now asking for read write external storage was for older Android version. For newer Android version, we have to give manage external storage permission. So here the user will have to find our app. He will have to click on this checkbox. He will have to go back, and here you can see our video picker is displayed. Now currently we only have one video in our device. I'll pick that. It is a 10-minute long video, so I'll just pause it for now. So I'll click on convert. Now the conversion will take time because it is a 10-minute long video, so it will definitely take time. Now few things I want to tell you. The conversion happens on a background thread, so you don't have to worry about any kind of jank or anything. Second thing is, here I am also displaying our progress, so the progress is only up to 5. Ignore the 2 which you are seeing at the start. It is progress state, and the second variable which you are seeing is how much progress has happened. Now this will take a little bit of time, so we will come back to our code for a bit. I'll show you the code, and once it is ready, I'll show you the output. Also later on I will show you how to do it for a video which is stored on a network, on a server as well. Okay, so the code will remain exactly the same. So here you can see I have main.dart file, and here everything is same. We have refactored our stateful widget. So we have a variable called video URL. It is empty at the very start, and I have defined a method channel called video picker platform. Then I have one text button called pick video without permission. So this will launch that method channel which we have defined on our native Android side. So it will handle that external storage permission, show the video picker. Once the user picks a video, we send that particular video's URL back to Flutter side, and once we get the video URL inside the result, we assign it to our video URL variable. Then here I have defined a visibility widget. So this show this only if video URL is not equal to empty. So here I have defined one size box, so that our my video view, which is a custom widget which inherits native UI from Android side. So here we are basically doing that, and this my video view, we are passing our video URL for the selected video. Now this my video view, so the entire thing which you are seeing, this particular input player, this particular button, this progress bar, everything has been done from this my video view. These are not Flutter views. And if I go to my video view, I have defined it over here. So this particular file, it takes a video URL. We are sending it in form of creation param. So over here I have also added one key, so that in case if you select some other video, once the transformation of first video is done, our widget should be updated. That's why. So this is the code for that updating of our widget. And if you see our build, this is only for Android view. Your iOS won't work because I have not implemented it yet. And if you see the view type, same identifier you will have to use it on native Android side as well. And we are passing our map, so we are passing our video URL. So that's it for Flutter side. Let's go back to native Android view. So the progress is still at 50. Okay, so I'll just stop this for now. Okay, so first you will have to open this Android manifest.xml. I have added internet permission because after this output I will also show you how to do this for a video which is stored on a server. That's why I've added this. And for older Android device, we require the read write external permission, right, for saving file to external storage. So I have added that. For newer Android versions, we require manage external storage for writing file to external storage. That's why I have added this as well. Then I have gone to settings.gradle, so it is present over here. Here I have added this Kotlin version updated to 1.9.20. Then you will have to go to build.gradle.app. I have updated the min.hdk version to 24. So this file, go to min.hdk version to 24, and here I have added this dependency. So this two dependency will be useful for picking video from video picker, because we want to make use of register for activity result. Then Exoplayer is for playing video, Exoplayer UI and Exoplayer HLS. This common effect and transformer help us to do all sorts of transformation or video editing. That's why I've added it. And this lifecycle runtime, because I want to make use of coroutines, that's why I've added it. Then you can just click on sync now. Once that is done, you can go to your main activity. Here these are all the imports for it. You can copy paste it if you want to. And then we are extending, instead of flutter activity we are using flutter fragment activity. Then I have defined a method channel result, which will help us to send the video URL of the picked video back to flutter side. Then for older Android versions we have written this read write external storage, and once we request that, if user has granted the permission, then we do launch new video picker, otherwise we display a toast message. Okay, so the conversion is almost done, so I'll just show it to you as well. And I'll just minimize this. Okay, why I'm not able to hide it? So okay, here let's just wait till the progress is done. The progress is almost done. Okay, so it is almost at 98. Now keep watching this, because the zoom effect will take place at the very start of the video. So here you can see the zoom effect took place, and the video is almost 10 minutes long, so it is the same video length. So that's what I was talking about. I will show you how to do it for video network, video located on a server as well, just in a bit. But here you can see the progress reached till 99. I'll tell you why that was as well. But if you want to keep track of the progress, show it to the user, you can use that as well. And here I have defined a result launcher. So this will help us to basically check for the new external storage permission, which is manage external storage permission. If that is given, we launch new video picker. Here we are requesting for that manage external storage permission, so basically launching the settings app which you saw. And here I have created a method just to check whether the manage external storage permission was given or not. And this is the code for picking video from a video picker. So here it is video only. Once I get the URI, I send that back to Flutter side, and here inside configure Flutter engine we have registered our native UI view. So same identifier. Here I have defined a method channel. I am using the same identifier. I have assigned our result to method channel result, and once here we are basically asking for permission. If permission is given, we are launching our new video picker. So that's it on main activity. Then you will have to write this particular class. So create a Kotlin file. Is it a Kotlin file? Yeah, Kotlin file. Here I have created this Kotlin file called matrix transformation factory. So you can just copy paste the code and play around with this particular value. So this basically helps us to apply the zoom effect, and these are all the imports for it. So yeah, you can copy paste this. Then we have to, so here if you see over here we are referencing this my video factory, so we have to create that. So I have created this particular file. Now this is boilerplate code which we have to write for creating any kind of native view for Flutter. So yeah, just copy paste this, and here we are referencing our my video view. So create another Kotlin file called my video view, which I have created over here. And if you see, okay, I'll also show you the imports for this. And if you see this my video view.kt, These are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste it. Okay, and here I have marked it as unstable API because the Media3 transformer is still experimental, but I think by the time you watch it, it should be stable, so you won't require this particular annotation as well. So here I have defined our my video view, and here we are extending from platform view. We have also extended transformer.listener because we want to listen for that particular conversion to take place, whether it has completed or error, and we are overriding two methods from this transformer.listener interface as well. And this lifecycle owner, because we want to make use of coroutines, so because of this lifecycle owner we have to write this bit of boilerplate code as well. Then this handler and progress holder are for tracking the state of how much progress our video conversion has taken place of. So the one which I was showing you in logcat. Then I have defined one linear layout, two exoplayers, two player views, one button, one progress bar, one file name, playback position as 0, play when ready as true, one transformer, one file, and one video URL variable. Then inside init we are just setting layout params to our linear layout and making it vertical. And here inside input player view, like this is basic, we are assigning some layout params. Then we are displaying all those kind of buttons which we want, next, previous, pause, play, all that kind of stuff, and adding our input player to linear layout. Then we are defining our button, adding layout params, adding text, adding it to our linear layout, adding a click listener as well, setup transformer. The output player is same as input player, only thing is we are setting the visibility by invisible as default, because we want to only show this once the conversion has taken place. Same for progress bar as well, it is invisible at the start. And here we are getting the video URL from Flutter side. We are initializing our input player, so this is the code for it. This is the code for initializing our output player. This is the code for releasing our player, and this we are overriding, so just returning our linear layout. And in dispose we are releasing our player. In setup transformer we are first checking if the output player is playing some video. If yes, then we just stop it, and then we call transform video. So we are displaying our progress bar, creating this array list of effect, and then we are adding this matrix transformation factory dot create zoom in transformation, so the method which we created over here. Then we are initializing our transformer, we are initializing our input media item, we are creating our edited media item as well, and inside set effects, so we are passing our effect over here. And for audio we are just passing an empty list because we are not doing any kind of transformation on audio. So the first parameter is for audio, the second parameter is for video, so we are just passing our effect, for which we have added the zoom transition. Here we are creating our external file, here we are starting our transformation, and here we are tracking our progress state. So this progress holder dot progress tells you how much progress has happened, and this is the progress state. So you were seeing 2 and 0, right, something like that in logcat. So okay, the logcat has deleted it, but if you see, 0 stands for progress state not started, 2 stands for progress state available, 1 stands for progress state waiting for available. So that way you can track. And the progress has not reached till 100 because it stopped at 99 because I have added this 500 millisecond delay. Then this is the code for creating external file, this is the code for saving file to external storage. Now this works only on API 29 and above. If you want to save it for API 29 and below, you can follow my video on how to save file to downloads directory. Now this particular code does not save it to downloads directory, it saves to the DCIM folder, which is the recommended approach for saving new videos. Okay, because for below API 29 the code is very complicated in Android, so that's why I'm not doing it. And as you know, like I told you, we will be overriding two methods on completed. So on completed, that means success, so we are displaying our output player, initializing it, saving file to external storage, hiding our progress bar. In case of error, we are hiding both progress bar and output player and displaying a toast message. So yeah, that's it. Now to show you how to play video from a network URL as well. So all you have to do is, just take your URL where your video is stored. So this is my video URL, paste it over here, but make sure you have given the read write external storage permission, which I have already done by clicking on this particular button. So if you have this particular network video URL, then you might have to comment out that video picker code which we have written in main activity, but keep that read write external storage permission code. So I'll just stop this and I will just play it in release mode. The reason why I'm playing it in running it in release mode, because in debug mode, like, there are a lot of performance issues, and you might see like it is very slow because of hot restart and hot reload. So you might feel that okay, by there might be something wrong with my code. Actually no, like that is the default behavior of Flutter. Like the performance of your app is bad in debug mode just to support hot reload and hot restart. So yeah, here I have started my app. Just have a little bit of patience. So hopefully it should be able to show it to you. Okay, again ignore this, like these are just warnings. This is by default present when you create a new Flutter project. This is not from my code. So hopefully it should get completed. So I'll just show you. So here you can see this is a video loaded from network. So I'll just pause it, I'll click on convert, and here you can see the conversion has happened. So this 2 and 0 which I was telling you, right? And this is the actual progress which is happening, 71, 82, 87. Okay, so it is done, and here you can see the zoom effect been applied. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.